In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change time on Rolex Yacht Master. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust the date and the time on your Rolex watch. Even though I chose this model as the example for this video, the same process will work with other Rolex models, so keep that in mind. You can follow the same idea here to adjust the date and time on other watches. All of this will be done with this crown at the side of the watch. So all that you have to do is first, to actually begin changing them, unscrew and then pull it out once. So unscrew it in this direction, and once you feel it loose, you will be able to pull it out. Now, depending on how many times you pull it out, you will be able to alter the date or the time. I'm gonna call these half and full click. So once you unscrew, always remember to do this first, you will be able to pull this crown out away from the watch. When you hear one click, this indicates that you will be changing the date. And if you hear a full click, this indicates that you are changing the time. So if you want to first set up the date, which is going to change this part of the watch here, so this indicator, all that you have to do is pull it out once and then use it up or down. So wind up the crown and you will see this number change. So you can go down, so 27, 26, 25, and so on, or you can go up 29, 30, etc. Just set it up according to the day of the month. Then if you are satisfied with this, you can change the time by clicking it again, and you will know that you will be altering the time when the seconds pointer stops moving. If you notice that it stops moving when you pull it out, this indicates that you did it properly. And now you will be able to wind it up or down to change the pointers here. And we'll roll it around the watch face. And then once it is set up, all that you have to do is click it back towards the watch. So once you are concluded, click it back towards the watch and it will retain these changes. It's as simple as using the crown at the side of your Rolex. I hope I was able to help you on how to change time on Rolex Yacht Master. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.